Imagine being the driving force behind a company's technological success, orchestrating sales strategies and leading a dynamic team. That's the world of an IT sales director. This is a role that's as exciting as it is challenging. In this role, you'll navigate the complex landscape of information technology, strategize to hit ambitious sales targets, and carve out a path for your team's professional growth. Intrigued? Ready to explore the dynamic world of an IT sales director? Stick around. An IT sales director, the maestro of technological sales. But what does a day in the life of this role look like? Let's delve into the heart of this dynamic position. As an IT sales director, you're the captain steering the ship of your sales team. Your role is to set the course with strategic sales plans, navigating the ever-changing tides of the tech industry. You're also the diplomat, fostering client relationships and negotiating deals that benefit both parties. It's a delicate balance of ensuring customer satisfaction while driving your team to meet sales targets. The playing field, a fast-paced, dynamic environment where innovation is the name of the game. You're not alone, though. You'll work side by side with a dedicated team using cutting-edge tools to analyze market trends and track sales performance. Responsibilities are many, but with the right skills, the role of an IT sales director can be a rewarding challenge. So what does it take to excel as an IT sales director? Let's dive into the necessary skills and experiences. A strong leader at the helm is crucial, someone who can inspire a team, set clear goals, and guide the ship even in stormy seas of market fluctuations. Now let's take strategic thinking. As an IT sales director, you'll need to anticipate market trends, identify new business opportunities, and devise strategies to meet sales targets. It's like playing a complex game of chess, but the board is constantly changing. A solid understanding of IT products is also vital. Imagine a tech device without knowing how it works. It's like trying to sell a car without knowing what's under the hood. So a comprehensive knowledge of IT products is a non-negotiable. Finally, sales experience. This is where the rubber meets the road. You'll need to show that you've been in the trenches, closed deals, and driven growth. Armed with these skills and experience, you're well on your way to becoming a successful IT sales director. Every role comes with its own set of challenges and rewards. What are they for an IT sales director? Firstly, let's talk about the challenges. An IT sales director faces complex sales cycles. Dealing with intricate IT solutions and navigating through the decision-making maze of large organizations can be taxing. And then there's the ever-evolving technological landscape. Staying ahead of the latest trends and understanding how they can benefit potential clients is a constant challenge. But with these challenges come significant rewards. The role of an IT sales director often comes with a handsome salary and status. You're not just selling a product, you're driving technological success for businesses. It's a position of influence, a role where you can make a real difference. There's also flexibility. In many cases, you can work from anywhere, set your own hours, and shape your own career path. And let's talk about the opportunities. Progression in this role can lead to top-level management positions. You could become a chief sales officer or even a CEO. There are also related roles in strategic planning, business development, and consulting. So the sky really is the limit. Despite its challenges, the role of an IT sales director is a rewarding and fulfilling career choice. It's a path that demands resilience and adaptability, but for those who rise to the occasion, the benefits and opportunities are truly remarkable. Though intrigued by the world of an IT sales director, there's so much more to explore. Now let's turn the spotlight on you. What do you think about the role? Have you ever imagined yourself negotiating high-stakes deals, leading a dynamic team, and managing cutting-edge tech products? Perhaps you have questions or thoughts that are still lingering. Maybe you have experiences or anecdotes that relate to what we've discussed. We'd love to hear them. Let's get the conversation going. This is your opportunity to contribute to a community dialogue, to share, learn, and grow. Remember, each role is a unique journey, and understanding it is the first step towards making an informed career decision. So don't stop here. This is just the tip of the iceberg. Dive deeper into the fascinating world of IT sales directorship. Don't forget to subscribe and comment for more unique insights into various roles. Your journey to understanding the world of IT sales directorship has just begun.